Yeah. Yeah. That'll happen hanging out with me. Some guy, probably won't get a chance to answer him because it'll fall too far through my comments. But one guy's like, I just got done looking at a bunch of your posts and it seems like you throw a lot of pink. Do bass prefer pink? I don't know. They seem to like it where I fish it.
Yeah.
So I was trying to tell Carson when they were up here, like, dude, there's going to be so many green frogs with these fish.
Yeah,
You need to throw something completely different.
yeah. Hey, you're good at doing that stuff. Coming up with new lures to throw.
You gotta just think of what the hell they've been seeing and something they ain't seeing. I don't know. Don't hurt to think outside the box. That's one thing I'm gonna make a video on is, you know, like how to, like,
First thing.
well, don't read the book. Like, bass don't read books. So yeah, like, try something different. There's no book on how to catch a bass. The reactionary fish. If you throw something different that they haven't seen before,
They're predators, too, so
yeah,
whatever they see, they're gonna try to eat.
yeah, as long as it looks appetizing. So it's like, don't get stuck on the, oh, I've got to throw this color in this water condition. Because, like, seriously, I have a ton of people ask, like, oh, do you want to throw pink in dirty water? No, I throw it all the time. Yeah, just because someone says you got to use bright colors in dark water, or dark, black and blue in dark water, doesn't mean it always works. Is it a staple of the industry? Yes. But is a bass going to be like, well, that one's not black and blue, so I'm not going to eat it?
I doubt that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like, there's way more people bass fishing now than there probably ever has been. So whatever you can do to set yourself apart, especially in a tournament.
Yeah.
It's just like these reeds, man. Like, how many people have fished these reeds in the last 2 weeks? How many green frogs have been thrown up here? How many pink frogs have been thrown up here? Hell, even yellow. I mean, yellow is more of a natural color too, but I don't know. Not even that, just pink, or just off color like chatterbaits or whatever. Okay, so they're not really tucked way back in these reeds just yet, but they will be. Eventually they will be.
That one day was absolutely crazy when we came up here when it was like raining.
Yeah.
That was probably our best day ever up here.
There he is.
Oh!
That's a nice fish too, if I can get him out of those reeds. Come on, stay pinned. He's still on there. There, I got him off. That's a nice fish, man.
Yeah, it is.
That's a really nice fish. On a pink frog. That's a big bass.
Yeah.
Holy crap, dude. That's a nice one.
Oh!
Look at that fish.
Oh!
Yeah, that's why you throw pink frogs, baby. That is what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Look at that chunk, guys.
Holy crap.
Look at that toad. Probably a good 4.5 pounder. Let's get it.
Yeah, sorry.
Check out that fish, guys. Pink frog, early morning. People ask, why do I throw pink frogs? That's why I throw a pink frog right there. Probably not even 6 o'clock yet, guys. This nice, beautiful post-spawn female. Look at that. Choke that frog. Look at that. That's why I throw pink Googan Squad filthy frogs, guys. We're going to get some pictures and get this fish back in the water, but you guys got to start throwing pink. I was just talking, I don't know if you guys heard on the camera, but these fish have been pounded on during tournaments. And these fish have not seen a pink frog, so I think that's what they're going to be keying in on. But we'll get some pictures. Very first fish of the year on a frog for me, and it's late June. I'm behind, but it's a good way to start the frog season now. So we'll get some pictures and get this fish back in the water.
That was sick.
All right, guys, we're going to get this beautiful fish back in the water. Got some good pictures of her. Thanks for playing. It's going to be a good day. She's ready to go. Bye-bye. Nice.
It is.
Nice. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a real good day. Stay tuned for more.